Now we just wish to add a button to our content, so we position our cursor in the content box and we select insert shortcode just above the other toolbar, and we look for button, style button. We get a number of options. In the first box we need the link where the button will go when we click. So there's our URL, so when we click on the button that's where we go. And we want to set up the background color of the button, so if we click on this icon we get a pop-up box where we can pretty much select any possible color. Let's pick that color there and we hit OK. Now this color would normally be set by the style sheet, so it would obviously be uncommon if all the buttons on the site were orange for us now to pick a pink or lilac button. So we do need to be a little bit careful about exactly what colours we're choosing. We can select different button sizes. That's, you know, we've got a wide range of sizes. Let's maybe go up slightly bigger than 3. This is, you get a feeling for the different sizes of buttons as you use them. Again, you can change this later on. There's a number of different background styles. Let's try the third style. And the text, do we want dark text? I think we'll probably say no to that. We'll probably get away with white text over this kind of dark pink background. Do we want corner radiuses on the button? We'll leave that to be set by the style sheet. We don't want an icon on the button, we just want a text button. And when the button links out through this URL, we want to tell it, do we open it to link in the same page or a new page? Because this link is not on our website, we would typically link using the blank option to a new tab. It would open a new window when the user clicks on the button. If it was still on our website, this link, we would select self, so that the clicking the button would go to the same window. It wouldn't open a new window or tab. In this case, we're going to an outside website. We select blank, and the content of the button text that you can see. And then we can just insert the button. And we have our shortcode opening tag and our shortcode closing tag. And we've got our button text here. Now you can see that within the opening shortcode there are a number of other options. We decided where we were going to send the link. We decided on the button color, size of the button, the style of the button, whether we wanted dark or light text, and so on. So the opening shortcode is quite complicated, but again, you haven't needed to work out yourself color code for that pink. So let's try preview changes just to take a look at this button, and we can see that we've got a working button. So if I was to click on the button, we asked it to open a new window and go to the Internet Buff website, and there we go. So we're going off to Internet Buff. It's opened a new tab on our browser, and there we are. So let's close that new tab, and you can see there's a button. Maybe I'm not so sure about the kind of format and the background of that button. Maybe I want to change which option, or just test out some different options. So let's close that preview. And maybe I thought it was a little bit big, so let's reduce the size. And I'm not so sure about that style, so let's go back to style 1 and then we can see what that looks like. So let's preview those changes, and we've got a kind of cleaner button, slightly smaller, and the background button doesn't have the small circular bubble layout. And we could change the color. if we knew the colour that we wish to use, let's close that. Maybe if we wanted a red button and we knew the code for red, we would type that into the colour and we would click on preview and we would have our red button. And we'll close that preview. And that's how to add a shortcode button to your page content.